Inside your skull is the thing that controls everything you do, your brain. Find out more. Oh, wait a minute. You're going to need this. I'll put it back, and we can get started with the show. The brain weighs about 3 pounds. It's made up of 100 billion nerve cells, or neurons. Electrical messages pass from cell to cell. Messages go out of your brain, down your spinal cord, and out to your body, and then back again, all in an instant. The brain, the spinal cord, and all those nerves make up the nervous system. It's your body's information system. The brain is made up of several parts. There's the brain stem. It controls your body's basic automatic functions like breathing. The cerebellum controls things like your movement, your physical skills. And then there's the limbic system. That's important for emotion, memory, and learning. It makes up about 1/5 of your brain. There are structures like the pituitary and hypothalamus. They work with the brain stem to control body temperature, growth, and blood pressure. And then there's the cerebrum. This is the thinking, creative part of your brain. It's also the biggest part of your brain. Along with the thin covering, the cortex, it's the part of your brain that governs voluntary movements. It's where you think, where you perceive or sense things. And because of your cortex, you can understand, learn, remember, communicate, and create. The brain surface is covered with wrinkles and grooves. These wrinkles and folds allow the brain to have a much larger surface area, and a brain with more surface area can process more information.
It's kind of like trying to take a piece of paper and fit it into a plastic Easter egg. If it's flat, it won't fit very well. But if you crumple it up, it fits nicely. And that's how your brain can use a lot of surface area for process power and still fit inside your head.
The brain has 2 hemispheres, and there's a band of fibers between the 2 parts or hemispheres of the brain, so that the left side knows what the right side is doing.
The human brain is so soft that you could cut it with a butter knife. That's why you should wear your helmet when you ride your bike. You need to protect your brain.
Your brain and body also put out chemicals called hormones or neurotransmitters. Hormones help regulate your body's growth, help you mature, maintain digestion, even tell you when to sleep. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that send messages between brain cells or neurons. Some neurotransmitters tell your heart to beat, or your lungs to breathe, or muscles to move, while others regulate your feelings, attention, or behavior. These chemicals play a part in how you remember things, why you dream, who you are. Everything that happens in your body, your thoughts, your feelings, your breathing, your growing, are all controlled by your brain. And the brain continues to develop even after you're born, and it continues to change even as an adult. Your brain is what makes you, you. If you want to learn more, head to the Science Trek website or check our related videos. And if you like Science Trek, be sure to click the subscribe button to catch our newest videos.